Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Hohato USB-C 12-in-1 multi-port hub. That's kind of neat. It's actually pretty neat looking. The very big and important deal to me is that it's USB-C on one side, and then we got 3 USB-A ports on the side. We also have another USB-C port, so we actually have a pass-through. We've got headphones, we got a VGA port, Ethernet, so I can connect this to the internet. We've got a couple HDMI ports. We got a power delivery port, so we can actually plug power directly into this, so we don't have to use another port to supply power to the laptop, so that's very good. And we got a TF and an SD card slot. So this has got just a ton of different ports on it, and it's amazing. It's all through one little USB. Wow, okay. Let's just see if it works. And this is the reason I want, is because I've got this Dell XPS and it only has 2 USB-C ports. That's all it's got. Yeah, there we go. So this is fantastic. So this is a nice small little hub that I can pack in the same bag as my tiny little laptop, and I won't have to add anything extra. I've got all these extra ports, so very awesome.